Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
The clear message in Mr. Buhari's speech is a threat to the Yoruba nation. In paragraph 32 and paragraph 33, Mr. Buhari attempts to justify lifting of Nigerian out of poverty. But what he has done is to justify authoritarian government. He says in paragraph 32 of his speech, and I will quote it, "This tax is by no means unattainable." He was referring to getting Nigeria out of poverty. He says, China has done it before. India has done it. Indonesia has done it. Nigeria can do it. These are all countries characterized by huge burdens of population. Paragraph 33. He went on to say, China and Indonesia succeeded under authoritarian regimes. He was justifying authoritarian regime, telling you indirectly that he would use excessive power. He said, India succeeded in a democratic setting. We can do it. Regardless of him not saying how he wants to do it, he supports authoritarian regime. But the mistake Mr. Buhari made is that the only comparison he made with Nigeria, China, Indonesia, and India is our population. You do not jumpstart economic growth and development of a nation based on its population. The most fundamental factor or element in nation building is the composition of that nation. America is a monocultural country. Why? Because one of the racial group in America, the Caucasian, is more than 70% of the population of America. The Caucasian, which is white America, is 77% of American population. That makes America a monocultural country. Russia is a monocultural country because more than 70% of its people there are ethnic Russian. China is not like Nigeria. China is a monocultural ethnic group because one ethnic group, Han Chinese, is 91.1% of the population of China. India is a monocultural country because Indo-Han ethnic groups is 72% of the population of India. Indonesia is a monocultural country because the ethnic group called Javanese is 40% of the total population of Indonesia. The second largest ethnic group in Indonesia is Sudanese, which is 15%. President Buhari made a stupid comparison comparing China, Indonesia, and India to Nigeria because of population. No, Nigeria is a multicultural country. That is why it can never develop under a unitary system. China is not a multicultural country. China has many ethnic groups, but one of that many ethnic groups is 91.6% of the Chinese population. So that makes China a monocultural country. India has many ethnic groups, but one out of many is 72%. That makes India a monocultural country. Nigeria is not like India, it's not like Indonesia, it's not like China in terms of ethnic composition. Yoruba is only 25% of Nigeria, according to CIA World Fact Book. Hausa is 20%. Igbo is 17%. Ijo is 10%, Fulani 9%, Kanuri 4%, Tiv 3.5%, and all others. Nigeria is a multicultural country. So if we must get out of poverty, we cannot get out of poverty using the same authoritarian regime of China and Indonesia, or using the same democratic system of India. India practices regional government, which is good, but Nigeria as a multicultural country cannot survive under a unitary system. It must either break up apart or go back to regional system of government.
Good afternoon. It is very clear that they intend to make sure that this administration fails. I'm getting good intelligence report on daily basis. The question of insecurity in the country is being mentioned all over the world, not only here in Nigeria. But I believe there are Nigerians that will attempt at least to be fair by what I believed, that I will run the country according to the Constitution. Now, with all these people who want power, whoever they are, have they proved that I was not following the Constitution? Well, am I not leading the country according to the Constitution? What do they want? I had one impression which gave me a lot of hope and confidence to continue the way I wanted. So whoever wanted diversion or destruction of the system at this point, I think will soon have their shock of their lives. I think we have given them enough latitude. They have made their case. They just wanted to destroy the country. Simple. Because what do they want? And we are concentrating on infrastructure because no country or institution can be developed without infrastructure. And I assure you that I will be willing, within whatever resources we have, to make sure we meet all your demands so that no excuse can be given for any failure. So I expect you, what is happening in the southeast, attacking police station, killing the police, taking away arms and ammunition, now, for those of us who are unfortunate to be in the field for the 30 months of the civil war, to see the carnage of how we kill ourselves, at least 1 million people, I think those that are misbehaving, they were either too young, they didn't know what happened. But for those of us who went through all these things, we can't understand. So we will treat them in the language they understand. So I feel for your understanding and so on. We are going to be very hard, sooner than later. We have done our best, changed the service chiefs and the IG. We allow them time to go around to make necessary changes for them to be firmly in charge. We'll try and give them the resources they require, and we will demand security sooner than later. I thank you very much for your presentation. I assure you that this administration will do whatever we can do for you, so that we don't give anybody excuse to blame us that we don't want to go or want to have a third term. Thank you very much.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe,
Face TV. Muswobi.